Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Medela Quick Clean Breast Milk Removal Soap, No Scrub Hypoallergenic Soap for Pump Parts and Nursing Apparel. Removes breast milk residue up to 3 days old, 6 fluid ounces. Doesn't work any better than normal dish soap other than the fact it's scent-free. This was really nothing special, it didn't even get all of the milk residue off, not worth the price. This stuff works better than any dish soap including Dapple. It gets all the breast milk residue off of bottles and pump parts. This removes the film that develops when you frequently store breast milk in a container. Gets the milk residue off the bottles and pump material, and also can leave bottle parts in a warm bath with 3 pumps of this, and it cleans them. Perfect for moms. Buy the bigger bottle of another brand that's marketed as baby bottle dish soap, and probably pay less per ounce. It'll be better than this fraudulent product. This product does a decent job of getting breast milk off the bottles, but it is definitely not no screw. The soap doesn't set up, which doesn't really bother me, but might bother other people. It really does help to get them clean, and all residue off them if they have been sitting for any length of time. It cuts the residue left from breast milk, and cleans without leaving a fragrance like normal detergent. It takes very little of the soap to wash items, so the bottle lasts a long time. It gets all the breast milk fat residue out of every bottle and nipple. Amazing. Some would lose a quarter to half of their leads, and they are not even close to being equivalent to 20-watt halogens, maybe 10. I've found that washing them in the dishwasher with Cascade Platinum works wonders at getting them crystal clear again. This works for breast milk, but also works for stuck-on formula. If you accidentally leave a bottle out overnight with formula residue, simply 1 squirt, and warm water, shake, let sit about 5 minutes, and it's all removed. This soap is great. A little expensive for the amount you get, but it cleans the bottles and pump accessories well, doesn't leave a film behind on bottles and pump parts like Dawn dish soap did. It's really great for soaking pump parts to loosen milk, and in bottles to get the fat from milk off the inside of the bottle. Browns bottles, and 3 sets of pumping shields a day, and this make it super quick. Breast milk leaves a film that most things don't remove. Buy this product, works great. Love that it doesn't leave a soapy taste on the dishes, or whatever you wash, bottle, etc., etc. Takes milk out of clothes as well. If you have a poop or spit up stain on baby's cloths, wash and dry the outfit, then rub this on the stain, and let it sit for a day, then wash it, comes right out. Having tried several other nursing bras, this one is by far the best quality and fit, but for stems and diaphragms, it's working out great, and doesn't leave hard water deposits as was happening with regular soap and water. Doesn't replace a good washing with soap, but really helps remove milk from bottles and pumping equipment when soap isn't an option. This is literally the only thing that got breast milk off of the pump supplies and bottles. Soaking them in this stuff makes cleaning them so much easier, and doesn't leave the greasy residue you sometimes get when they aren't soaked. Works amazingly well to remove the film breast milk leaves on the plastic pump parts and bottles. This works much better for me than ordinary, generic brand dish detergent, which didn't fully remove the residue. Over time, milk residue can build up. It looks kind of like white crystals, which in addition to being gross, can degrade the effectiveness of your pumping parts. You'll get less milk per pump. It gets the breast milk residue off easily. All you have to do is soak and rinse. Medela Quick Clean Breast Milk Removal Soap makes cleaning up all the pumping supplies and bottles so much easier. This stuff is great for getting stubborn, fatty breast milk off of pump parts and bottles. Brown's bottle kept breaking in half where the bottom screwed in. The OXO bottle doesn't have a sponge on top, which is vital for getting stubborn milk off, and it worked the best. The Medela soap got breast milk out of the nooks and crannies of the pump parts and the doctor. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.